There are many hadith, the most famous one, the hadith that Ibn Rajab rahimahullah wrote the entire book about this hadith, that as a person goes out seeking knowledge, the inhabitants of the heavens and the earth all seek forgiveness for that person. Whether it is the angels in the heavens or the fish in the sea, each one of them seeks forgiveness for that person as they go out seeking and spreading knowledge. It's a means of connecting you to Allah because you learn about Allah. A means of connecting you to the Prophet ﷺ because you become an inheritor of the Prophet ﷺ. A means of connecting you to the angels because they lower their wings in approval for you, spread their wings out. And a means of connecting you to the people because your relationship with them is benefiting them, and even the environment. Because Ibn Rajab rahimahullah commented on that. What would cause the fish in the sea to seek forgiveness for that person is that a person of knowledge thinks about the rights of everything on them, and so they treat even their environment with care because they're acting in accordance with that knowledge, and that's embedded with